Hi, my name is Trevor Wicks. In order to understand the human influences on climate, we should look at the climate picture on a human scale. The changing climate is the response to modifications to the atmosphere, temperature, humidity, wind, precipitation, and other variables over a period of time. Every locality on the surface of the Earth is unique. If we could compare enough annual records of climate with very precise measurements, we would discover that no two places on this planet are exactly the same. These variations apply to all of the land, air, and water within the biosphere. Human activity is constantly altering the natural equilibrium of the biosphere, which in turn affects the climate. Most of these changes are complex and not directly obvious. Some go completely unnoticed. So climate science has a challenge to quantify and explain the process in layman's terms. The English language does not have enough appropriate terminology or the measurements to rationalize this situation, and the public has been left with vague and somewhat inconclusive terms like global warming and climate change. I have some suggestions for new terminology listed on my website under the Climate Change tab. Historically, our ancient ancestors had little capacity to modify the earth, air, or water. As the human species became more civilized, the ability to produce fire, clear and drain land for agriculture, created localized variations in climate. By the year 2015, the human species had effectively altered all of the components that compound and interact with the Earth's natural climatic cycles. As time passes, the compounding effects of human activity feed back into other parts of this highly complex process, and we only have one term to describe this phenomena: climate change. We should be aware that we could be leaving future generations with a very unstable environment, or we can start to reduce these accumulative impacts. We have the tools, materials, and knowledge to bring the human influence on climate into a closer balance with the natural climate systems. For more information on climate change and other topics, please go to my website, www.innovationbc.com. Thank you for watching.